Hey guys, welcome back. It's Chris with Calzone Outdoors. Thank you for joining me out on another beautiful day. Today we're filming an episode of Campervan Cooking, and I thought I'd put together something new that I've never done on the channel before. We're going to do some roast potatoes, some bell peppers, onions, and some Portuguese sausage. Stick around. Alright, so we're going to need a few things out of the back of the campervan today. So, this is our portable table. We're going to need that. We don't need this per se, but I might as well get the jack recharging while we're at it. We've got plenty of sunlight today. So we're going to need some charcoal. And back here is our portable little barbecue. Alright, the wind's picking up a little bit, so hopefully we can get this done. I'm going to go with some match light here. Don't have to worry about starting a fire and stuff. Not gonna need a whole bunch. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Lighten right up, just the way we like it. Alright, so that's going nice and good. We're going to let this go ahead and burn down to some nice little coal bed, and then we'll get the roasted potatoes and sausage on. Stick around. Alright guys, so as our coals burn down, here's a look at the ingredients we'll be using today. Again, we have a linguiça Portuguese sausage, we have a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper, one potato, and one white onion here in the back. I'm going to put in with that as well some garlic and some Land O'Lakes butter. Stick around. Alright, so as our coals are burning down a little bit, it's time for some prep work. We're going to go ahead and use our Topanga Canyon Hunter knife for this food prep. I'm going to go ahead and get everything sliced up, and we'll be back with the next step. Alright, next up that we got all our prep work, we're going to go ahead and lay out some heavy duty tin foil. So you want to stretch out about twice as big as you'll need so that it can overlap onto itself. Some folks argue whether or not to use the bright side on the end or the outside. I found that it doesn't really matter. Alright, so we got all of our ingredients here, nice and diced up. So I only used half of the bell pepper, half of each bell pepper, one potato, and the flies are sure interested in this now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get some garlic in there. About that much. And I'm going to go ahead and put us some butter in there. Alright, so lastly we're just going to wrap all this up and get it on the fire. Stick around. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. Making sure we don't get any of those flies in here. And the back side. All we have to do now is get this on the fire. Alright, so we're going to spread our briquettes out a little bit. Get our grill on. And we're just going to set our foil pack right in the center of that. We're going to let that go for about 15 minutes and then flip it for another 10 minutes. Stick around. And about 5 minutes into it, it's already started to sizzle. This is going to be good. I can't wait. Alright folks, well I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds like it is roasting away in there. I'm going to go ahead and give this a flip. Make sure it's not too hot where you're going to grab it. And we'll give that another 10 minutes and we should be good to go. Stick around. Alright guys, so we've been roasting away on this side for another about 10 minutes. We are going to go ahead and give it one more turnover. Just like so. Let it finish off there. And we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so I think that's done. We're going to go ahead and get it on over to a plate and we'll see you over on the other side. Well, I almost forgot. I brought this Italian roll from home to get down in there and soak up some of that juices. Get down in the middle there. Delicious. Again guys, thank you for joining me out on this beautiful day. I'm Chris, this is Calzone Outdoors. You can join me on Instagram and Facebook, Calzone Outdoors as well. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this food, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me.